I get this question all the time. Devin, when should a faceless channel create a good enough version of its process before trying to perfect it? Earlier than most people think. Here's the rule. Lock the process once it's repeatable, reviewable, and fixable. Repeatable means you can make 3 videos in a row without inventing brand new steps every time. If video 1, 2, and 3 all need a different workflow, you're still designing. If the same basic sequence works 3 times, that's a usable system. Reviewable means you have a clear quality floor. Not perfect, just a minimum bar for script clarity, voiceover quality, edit pacing, and thumbnail consistency. If you can say this passes or this fails, you're ready to standardize. Fixable means when something breaks, you know exactly where it broke. Research was weak, script was too long, edit took too many revisions. If the bottleneck is visible, don't rebuild the whole machine. Fix that step. The big mistake beginners make is optimizing imaginary problems. They add docs, tools, approvals, and extra steps before the channel has enough output to justify any of it. My decision rule is simple. After 3 decent uploads, freeze the workflow for the next 5. Only change the process when the same problem shows up at least twice. That's how you stop premature perfectionism and build a real operating system. If you want one place to manage that workflow cleanly, Satura is useful for it. End there.